Is your testimonial showing the wrong client profession? Fix it in 30 seconds and make your site look credible. So, you've got a great testimonial on your Namecheap website, but maybe it says your client is a business owner when they're actually a licensed architect. That tiny detail can make your whole site feel outdated or careless. And when visitors see that, it chips away at their trust. I've been through this exact situation, and I can tell you it's a super quick fix. I'll show you exactly where to click in Namecheap's editor to update that profession field. Just follow these 4 simple steps. First, navigate to your Namecheap site editor. You want to open up the website that has the testimonial you need to fix. Log into your Namecheap account, go to the Website Builder section, and click on Edit Site for the right project. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your pages listed on the left side. Click on the page that holds your testimonials block. This is your staging area. Everything we do next happens right here. Now, click on the testimonial you want to edit. Look for the specific testimonial card on your page. It's usually a box with a quote, a name, and that profession line underneath. In my experience, people often miss this because they're clicking on the text area directly, but you need to click right on the testimonial block itself, the whole card. You'll know you've got it when you see a blue border or some editing handles pop up around it. And here's a little heads up. If you're on a page with multiple testimonials, double check that you've selected the right one. It's easy to accidentally update the wrong card. Next, click on the highlighted area to access the profession field. Once your testimonial is selected, you should see a small highlighted section. Often it's the profession line itself or an area directly beneath the client's name. Just click right there. That'll pop open a text box or a small settings panel. This is where you can type in the correct title. Whether it's lead developer or registered nurse, make sure it's accurate and professional. I always recommend using the same job title your client uses on their own LinkedIn or business card. It adds that extra layer of authenticity. Finally, click Continue to save your changes. After you've updated the text, look for the Continue button. It's usually in the top right or at the bottom of the panel. Give it a click, and your change is locked in. Your testimonial now shows the right profession, which means visitors will see a polished, trustworthy site. And the best part? You did it in under a minute. So there you go. That wrong profession is fixed, your site looks credible, and you can move on to the next thing on your list. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Namecheap tips. Thanks for watching.